आतां आयकूंक येयलें न्हू कितें
कोण आयकोंक ना तुजें
सर आयज तुमी हांगा येयले न्हू
ना हांव आग्नेल रॉड्रिक्साचो एडवोकेट तेजे मॅटर आसात डिप्युटी कलेक्टरा मदीं मॅटर आसात तेजो मॅटर आसा बिफोर डिसेबिलिटी आनी ऑर मॅटर वेर हीज एडजॉयनिंग नेबर इज क्लेमिंग फॉर एन एक्सेस थ्रू हीज प्रायवेट प्लॉट. So he phoned me because right now he's out of station. So he just told me that something is going on, just go and have a look.
Okay.
So I have come here and I have found that they were interfering or tampering or trespassing into our property, some laborers, and the authorities are there along with the police. I asked them for a copy of the order, how they are authorized. They have not produced the copy to me as yet. So I have told them unless there is, let me see the order.
Yes.
So unless I see, I don't know whether you all have seen as press in the order and what the order is.
You are not still found it.
No, I have not even been intimated.
Disabled Domingo Goes right this Gogottalo for his traditional way of access. As deputy collector order but there is chaos here. What do you want to say that there is a
No, there is no chaos. Actually, it is just misinformation by the advocate of the concerned party. Even the concerned party has gone on record on a news channel saying that these stones have not been put by him and this property does not belong to him. He has already gone on record on the TV channel. So there is no dispute on this matter. I think the advocate is not aware of this statement of the opponent party. The advocate is not aware of the matter.
Sir, what was the actual issue? Just can you brief for the
issue was that the neighbor had blocked a property belonging traditional access, had blocked the traditional access belonging to a person with disability some 3 years back. We had got the road cleared by the CRZ also because this area comes under the NDZ, okay, and the neighbor then had put stones on the pathway, but recently he has given a statement to the media that this property does not belong to him and the stones were not put by him and the stones were put by the CRZ people when they had demolished the wall. When they had demolished the wall, they had put the stones.
So today you are clearing.
So now the deputy collector, the disabled person has approached the deputy collector, the disabled person has approached the state disability commissioner, and they have given orders to clear the traditional access of this person with disability.
Yeah, we are happy that finally justice, though it was delayed more than 3 years, finally it is not denied, and you can't deny justice. So a person with disability like our Domingois, who was doing his livelihood by a three-wheeler, had to for last 3 years struggle a lot because his traditional access to the main road was blocked by a insensitive and irresponsible neighbor to him. And this is the CRZ area. This complaint had gone to them, complaint to collector. This Domingo was running from pillar to post. But this arrogance continued and they were blocking it. And he was unable to, he even went through a bout of depression because his family, he was the earning person and he had to sit at home and his wife had to go for work. This was the situation brought up on this person. I am glad that finally collector, SDM and his officers here on this have understood that this illegality has to go. And they have now cleared the path. We are very thankful to the administration. Though it was delayed, our Domingo, who has gone through enormous struggles for last 3 years for his livelihood, is finally getting justice.
Domingo Baba, आयज जायते वर्सांनी खंय तरी तुका एक डेप्युटी कलेक्टराची ऑर्डर मेळिल्ली आनी आयज वॉट डू यू वॉन्ट टू से आयज तुजी वाट क्लियर जाली.
आयज हांव खूब खुशाल की मुगे ही वाट ओपन जाली म्हणून हांव पयलीं सुवाते देवा थँक्यू म्हणटा आनी तुमकांय थँक्यू म्हणटा. तशें म्हाका कलेक्टरा आनी मामलादारा आनी तशें आमगे डिसेबिलिटी कमिशनरा ताकाय थँक्यू म्हणटा आनी सगळ्यांक म्हाका आदार करतले. हांव सगळ्यांक काळजांसान देव बरो करता. सगळे आमगे गोंयचे लोकां की तेमी म्हाका सपोर्ट केलो म्हणून.
कितें त्रास जाले तुका डोमिंगो? कशे त्रास जाताले आनी कितके दीस जाले?
म्हाका वचपाक खूब डिफिकल्टी जाताली. हिंगसो थिंग वचपाक हिंगसो आमगे ते भावागे मानाय आसलेले ते मान्या हांव मोटरसायकलीचेर बसून हिंगसो मग ते थिंग वताले. हांव तुमकां दाखयतलो मागीर की ते म्हाका मोटरसायकलीचेर बसून म्हाका थिंग गाडये बरें वताले थिंगसो मागीर हांव गाडयेन वयतालो ती म्हाका खूब त्रास जाताले 3 वर्सां 1 म्हयनो जावपा येयलो सारको 2 दीस ते हांवें त्रास काडले आनी आयज हांव खूब खुशाल आहा आनी थँक्यू म्हणटा काळजांसान की मुगे ही आर्ट उक्ती जाता म्हणून
दोमिंगो पयलीं तुजे बिझनस चलतालो तूं रिक्षा चलयतालो आतां कितें प्लॅन आहा तुजो
आज मुगे प्लॅन तेंच करपाचें की आतां रिक्षा हांवें स्क्रॅप केलो आहा 3 वर्सां आनी कार बी आनी आतां मुगे रोड ओपन जाता आतां तो रोड ओपन जालो म्हणटकीर हांव मुखार मुगे स्टेप आसतलें रिक्षा घेवपाचें